There are some simple procedures for using Excel, but vital for its use. Let's see some of them. In case you've made a spreadsheet in Excel and saved it, you can consult it whenever you want. Let's take a look on how to do it. Once you have saved Excel workbooks, you can open them in a variety of ways. Using Excel, click on the File tab or on the Office button, place the mouse on Open. Note that the names of recently used files appear on the right side. You can click on one of these files' names to open it or just click Open to select the file you want to use. You can also include tabs in your spreadsheet as follows. Click on the plus sign at the bottom of the table. You can insert as many tabs as you like and they can be renamed. To rename them, just click with the right button, go to Rename and put whatever name you want. There is the Deleting Tabs option. Just click on the name of the tab with the right button and click on Delete. It will be automatically removed. After all the changes have been made, you may want to close the spreadsheet by clicking the File tab or Office button. Click Close or click the X in the upper right corner of the Excel screen. If you don't save before closing the software, Excel will prompt you to save the file. Be sure to save if you don't want to lose any changes.